You've been told the whole life that technology is here to make things easy. You have an AI in your pocket that can pass a bar exam, write a symphony, or code a map in a second. It's like being handed a Ferrari. But here's the problem. If you use a Ferrari to drive 100 meters to the grocery store every day, your legs will eventually atrophy. They will waste away. We're living in the era of the great replacement, but it's not what you think. It's not just that AI is replacing jobs. The real replacement is happening inside you. We are replacing the process of living with the result of existing because everything is one click away. We've been trained to believe that the only thing that matters is the finish line. While on guitar, a neural network can generate a perfect track in 5 seconds. While write an essay, ChatGPT can do it in 3. While learn a language, your earbuds can translate it in real time, but listen closely. Life is a process, not a result. If you focus only on the result, you are rushing toward the ultimate result of life, which is death. If you optimize every second of your day to be fast and efficient, you aren't living. You're just processing data. You might ask, is there any point in making music or art if AI does it better? Let's look at sport. Why does anyone run a marathon? A motorcycle can do 42 kilometers in 20 minutes. Why do people lift heavy weight? A hydraulic jack can lift 10 times more than any human. We run because the struggle is the point. The sweat, the pain, and the discipline of the run change your heart, lungs, your brain. The motorcycle get to the finish line, but the motorcycle hasn't improved. When you let an AI write your thought, you're taking a motorcycle to the finish line. You got the result, but your brain stayed on the coach. You didn't grow, you didn't change, you just stayed weak. This is the trouble for our generation. We are surrounded by an abundance of everything, and it has killed our willpower muscle. If you can't focus on a task for more than 10 minutes without checking for a fast result, you're becoming a passenger in your own life. You're losing the ability to deeply understand anything. The people who will lead the world in 10 years aren't the ones who know the best AI prompts. They are the ones who have the focus to stay in the process when it gets boring, when it gets hard, and when there is no fast result inside. There is a beautiful freedom in realizing that maybe nobody needs your music or nobody cares about your art. If you stop trying to please an audience or a market, you're finally free to do something for the only reason that actually matters, because you want to. Don't do it because it's useful. Do it because the process of doing it makes you feel alive. AI is a tool, not a destination. Use it to climb higher, not stop walking. Reclaim your ability to be efficient. Reclaim the struggle. Because at the end of the day, you aren't a computer that needs to output result. You are a human being who needs to experience a journey. Don't let the fast result steal your life. Get off the motorcycle and start running. Make sure to subscribe for more interesting content, and I'll see you soon.